So she said the brakes just started making noise. This is what the rotor looked like on the passenger side. That's gone. I doubt it just started making noise. This is what the rotor looked like on the driver's side. Never knew they had a 3-piece rotor. Man, just started making noise. That's why you need to get it checked out. The first noise you hear, just like when you're laying in the bed and you tell your husband you think you heard somebody, you need to tell him you think you heard something. That don't make any sense. Ain't no way in hell that just started making noise. That's been making noise for the past year.